In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a manual window crank on a Nissan Frontier, located on the inside of each door panel. So here is a location of the driver's side window crank. They're the same on whether you have 2 or 4 doors. Now this is what the inside of the crank looks like. See that metal clip in the splines internally? That's a spring clip, expands and locks. You're going to need a tool like this. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but you're going to slide that down, see how it sits in that V, and when you push on it, you're going to expand that clamp so that it comes right off. It's usually going to be behind the flat plastic washer, or actually you can go in front of it. You're going to have to try both ways. So as you can see on the replacement part, this clip can go in on either way. As in general knowledge, it should always be on the handle side, so that way you always know where to go. Sometimes people take them off and put them on the other way. So I'm going to try the back side now and see if we get it. Yep, and there it is. So now you're going to want to put the old clamp on without that clip on and just put the window in the down position. Where it's comfortable to land when it's in the down position, I personally would probably want it there. Then let's crank the window up. Now wherever you want it to land there, I like it to land there. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to leave it right there. Now with a flathead screwdriver, I'm just going to pull it out the rest of the way. Now I can pull that handle off. I'll show you what they did. So now that tells you right there, with that washer on, you can't go behind it. The clip is definitely going to be between that flat washer and the handle. So they had put it on this way, and then the washer. So now to install the new one, you're going to transfer that washer over, put it on, push it over until it clicks. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.